Welcome to Fit Fuel Diaries. Imagine starting your day with a powerhouse of nutrition. But what's better, Ragi or milk? For generations, milk has been considered the ultimate source of strength and calcium. But now, Ragi is emerging as a superfood that challenges this belief. So which one truly nourishes your body better? Stay with me till the end as we uncover the truth, and the answer might just surprise you. Milk is famous for its high calcium content, promoting strong bones and teeth. But did you know that Ragi contains 10 times more calcium than milk? Yes! This tiny grain is a powerhouse for bone health, making it a fantastic alternative, especially for those who are lactose intolerant or vegan. While milk is easily absorbed, Ragi provides calcium naturally with added fiber, making it a more wholesome option. Many people face bloating, cramps, or discomfort after consuming milk due to lactose intolerance. Ragi, on the other hand, is gluten-free, easy to digest, and gut-friendly. It doesn't cause inflammation or allergies, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive digestion. If you've been struggling with stomach issues, switching to Ragi might be a game-changer. Milk has always been known as a muscle-building drink because of its high protein content, but Ragi isn't far behind. It contains plant-based proteins and essential amino acids that help in muscle growth and repair. While milk provides whey and casein proteins, Ragi offers a healthier, plant-based alternative packed with iron and antioxidants. So whether you're a fitness freak or just looking for sustainable protein, Ragi deserves a spot on your plate. Trying to lose weight? Ragi is your best friend. Unlike milk, which can be high in fat, Ragi is fiber-rich and keeps you full longer. It slows down digestion, controls hunger pangs, and prevents overeating. Plus, Ragi helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. If you want a natural way to manage weight while staying energized, Ragi wins this round. Milk is undeniably a great source of vitamins like B12, essential for brain function, but Ragi takes the lead in iron, antioxidants and fiber, helping prevent anemia, improving heart health, and boosting immunity. If you're looking for a natural way to maintain overall well-being, Ragi is a true superfood that supports your body in multiple ways. So, what's the verdict? Both milk and Ragi have incredible benefits. If you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or looking for a fiber-rich alternative, Ragi is your go-to choice. But if you need high-quality animal protein and vitamin B12, milk remains a great option. The secret lies in balance and what suits your body best. What's your pick, Ragi or milk? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more amazing health insights.